Welcome to the PharmaSource podcast. In this episode, I speak to David Maier, Vice President and General Manager at West Pharmaceutical Services. West is a major provider of injectable solutions and a trusted partner to the pharma industry. As an example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, the company supported the delivery of over 8 billion doses of the vaccine. In 2023, West are celebrating their centenary, having just turned 100 years young, and they continue to develop a range of new sustainable products and on-body devices. I hope you enjoy the episode. David, welcome to the podcast. Would you mind introducing yourself to listeners, please?
Thank you very much for having me on. I'm David Maier. I'm the Vice President and General Manager of West's Global Generics Market Unit. It's one of our 4 customer-facing market units. I've been at West for just over 3 years, including the depths and the heights of the COVID response. Prior to West, I was at a contract manufacturer. I was in the pharma industry, and I have some experience in strategy consulting and the US military as well.
Thank you. So West Pharmaceuticals, I think everyone knows, is very, very well known for being a leader within injectable solutions and services. Could you give a bit of an introduction, please, to what it is the company does and what you believe makes you unique?
Yeah. So West is a leading provider of innovative, high-quality injectable containment solutions and services, and a trusted partner to both established and emerging drug developers. We have more than 10,000 team members across 50 sites worldwide, and we deliver approximately 47 billion components and devices each year. We're one of the older companies in the game. This year, we turned 100. It's a milestone that we're very proud of, and relatively few companies have the opportunity to celebrate. And for this century, our mission of improving patients' lives around the world has stayed the same. Every product has a patient's name on it is a motto that is deeply felt throughout the West organization. So today, as always, the need for innovation is critical to support delivery of life-saving pharmaceutical and biopharmaceutical drugs, and we continue to be the preferred partner to help bring new medicines to patients. We also have played a key role supporting vaccine manufacturers through COVID. We supported the majority of the COVID vaccine programs around the world, and we helped to deliver over 8 billion doses of vaccine over that very brief 2 to 3 year period. West works by the side of our customers from concept to patient to develop products that promote the efficiency, efficacy, reliability, and safety of the world's pharmaceutical drug supply. We offer a broad portfolio of products and services, including proprietary packaging, containment and drug delivery products, scientific insight, and technical expertise. And our products range from stoppers and seals for injectable packaging to self-injection and reconstitution systems. In addition to our high-value components, we offer integrated services and solutions to help our customers respond to the unique needs of biologic, pharma, and generic drugs. And we also offer contract manufacturing, especially for devices, drug delivery systems, and combination products to a few very big and important drug makers around the world.
An awful lot going on there. You mentioned delivering 8 billion doses of the vaccine, or supporting 8 billion doses of the vaccine through COVID, which must have been a huge effort in order to scale up and to deliver that quantity. Could you touch on that, please, and what that experience was like for you?
Yeah, it was definitely a very challenging time for us within West to respond to that very sudden demand for billions of incremental units. But I'm proud of the role that West played in responding to the pandemic. We were able to work with our bigger customers for the COVID vaccines on platforming certain products, on making sure that our products and solutions for our customers were able to withstand some of the rigors of cold chain, for example, and just a very accelerated time frame. And we're also very grateful for the patience of some of our other customers who had to deal with delayed orders and longer lead times, which we are now fortunately coming out of.
A massive undertaking. What are you excited about at the moment? What are the latest products and services which West is working on currently and co-creating with customers?
Sure. So one thing I'd like to talk about is part of our collaboration with Corning. So West is the exclusive distributor of Corning's Viridian vial technology. And this is a product that provides both performance and environmental sustainability in the healthcare industry. So our ongoing collaboration with Corning brings together two industry leaders, West in elastomers and Corning in glass, with a shared commitment to using resources responsibly to create a healthier, more sustainable world. Viridian vials are a drop-in solution that can reduce vial manufacturing carbon dioxide emissions, as well as reduce material waste while enabling faster and safer fill finish operations. So these externally coated type 1 borosilicate vials can improve quality and boost filling line productivity, which helps our customers to increase production and do so in a more environmentally friendly package. Corning Viridian vials reduce pharmaceutical glass waste to landfill by about 20%, and vial life cycle carbon dioxide emissions by approximately 30% compared to standard vials. And Corning's Viridian vials were announced as finalists in the sustainability category for this year's CPHI Pharma Awards.
Great.
West is also delighted to be a finalist for the 2023 CPHI Pharma Awards in the drug delivery and device category for West's Fluorotec 5 to 10 milliliter cartridge plunger, Nova Pure stoppers, and flip-off CCS seal technology for larger volume injections.
Thank you, and good luck with those awards. What role can packaging play in improving sustainability within life sciences?
Yeah, collaboration between vendors like West and our pharmaceutical customers is absolutely critical to improving the sustainability, environmental sustainability in life sciences. Due to regulatory, quality, and scientific hurdles, it's imperative that customers and vendors work together to address emissions, energy usage, water usage, and waste reduction in particular. To that end, West is taking a concerted, cooperative approach with our customers and other stakeholders to work to benefit each other most efficiently to achieve ESG targets for mutual benefits. This includes investigating shared power purchase agreements, researching more sustainable raw materials, exploring more efficient shipping methods, and studying beneficial reuses of our products and production byproducts.
Thank you. Thinking about the year ahead, what would you say the key trends are that are front of mind for you?
Yeah, I'd like to talk about two key trends that are, well, one of them is new this year, or newish this year. One of them is an ongoing trend. So the first I'd like to talk about is specifically the European Union's GMP Annex 1. This, both in and of itself, as well as an example of a greater regulatory push towards higher quality. So the EU's GMP Annex 1 provides technical guidance on the principle and guidelines of good manufacturing practices for medicinal products. So West components are part of the overarching sterile manufacturing and contamination control strategy. It's ultimately the responsible of the finished product manufacturer, West's customers, to comply with the regulation. But we believe West is the best positioned to be the partner to help our customers deal with these new requirements. Producing high-quality, ready-to-use packaging components has always been a strength of West, and our customers are leveraging our capabilities as well as historical experience and broad portfolio of products to support their evolving and increasingly tight contamination control strategies. Annex 1 is being adopted beyond Europe. And it really is just, one example of an increased focus on contamination control and fill finish operations. The US Pharmacopoeia also has new rules on this. And so this push towards greater quality, less contamination in fill finish operations is a trend that we think West is well positioned to help our customers deal with. The second trend that I'd like to mention is home-based healthcare market. Across the world, there's, and especially in European and North American markets, there's a clear drive from hospital to home, where appropriate. The home-based healthcare market is expanding, driven by both patient demand for more convenient treatment options, as well as payer incentives to move treatments out of the expensive hospital setting and into a more cost-effective home or outpatient-based setting. So finding effective ways to deliver new technologies to patients is important in innovating for them. And West is committed to finding a broad variety of good solutions. So in particular, we're leveraging the connectivity possibilities of our smart dose technology and investing in additional R&D innovations that will allow us to have an even greater impact on this trend. So our smart dose on-body platform was the first large volume wearable to be approved as a combination product by the US FDA. And has since evolved with multiple generations and different sizes. Our smart dose on-body device helps provide patients with the confidence in their therapy, as it's designed to reduce the need for frequent visits to infusion centers. Today, our smart dose on-body delivery system is now used with 4 approved therapies on the market, with customer interest and ongoing development in other projects ongoing.
Building on that, perhaps you could touch on diabetes and obesity management and where you see the opportunities for that.
Sure. These are important therapeutic categories, have been important throughout West's history, and are going to remain and become even more important in the future. So West has a long history of working with some of the major producers of insulins and diabetes management products. We've got long, deep relationships with some of the biggest manufacturers and producers of medicines for diabetes. And our participation ranges from our well-established portfolio of high-value elastomer components and containment systems, as well as contract manufacturing and other services associated with it. So West is committed to this space and committed to helping our customers in that space improve patient lives.
Great. And finally, 100 years, that's an amazing milestone. Have you got any plans to celebrate?
Well, we actually already have celebrated. The actual date was in April. Some of the senior leaders of West were present in New York City for the ringing of the bell at the New York Stock Exchange, and sites around the world have been celebrating West's 100th anniversary on kind of a rolling basis with events for not only our employees, but also our families and our customers as well. We want to thank our customers for their trust in us over these past 100 years and hope that we've got at least 100 more to go.
Fantastic. David, thank you so much for your time. Pleasure speaking to you today.
Thank you.
And you can meet with the West Pharma team at CPHI Barcelona on stand 2G40 or visit their website, westpharma.com, for more information. Finally, we're excited to tell you about PartnerMatch, which is a brand new service from us at PharmaSource. PartnerMatch is a new online meeting platform designed to be the most targeted, efficient, and sustainable way to connect with pre-approved partners in key areas such as APIs, packaging, supply chain, contract manufacturing, and CROs. We believe that by creating better, faster matches, PartnerMatch can directly contribute to accelerating the rollout of groundbreaking therapies. Get involved by heading to pharmasource.global/partnermatch. Thank you for listening. Hello.